How's it going? Welcome to this new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp group from our phone and also from all platforms, in this case, WhatsApp web. So let's first open WhatsApp, and here our WhatsApp will appear as such. We go to the top right where three dots appear. Let's go to where it says new group, and here we will add the people. In this case, I will add myself with another phone and click next. And here it tells us write the subject. The subject is the title of the group, so I'm going to put test video. Here at the photo icon, add photos. It can be of ourselves or from the internet, any we choose. And if we want to add emoticons or emojis, we simply put emoticons here. As you can see, and then if we want temporary messages to be enabled here. This means that every time this amount of time passes, all messages from everyone who sends here will be deleted. So if we want, we can set it to 24 hours. If I send a message today at 2:58, as you can see, then tomorrow at 2:58, that message will automatically be deleted. Once we have it set up like this, we simply click OK. It says creating group, and it's created. Now we can say hello, and I'm automatically talking in general. We can click on more and simply leave the group if we want to exit or remove it. And basically, that's it for Android on our phone. Now let's go to Android on the web. As you can see, I have the group we just opened. Now we're going to open another one, but from WhatsApp web. Basically, we just go up to where the plus sign is, where it says new chat, and we click there. All our contacts appear, but there's a button that says new group. We click there. Here, I'm going to create another group with myself. We click the down arrow for next, and here it's the same. We can enable temporary messages again for 24 hours. We can set our group subject to test2 and, well, test2 and add an image, but in this case, I'm not going to add any. I click OK. And automatically, test2 is created here, and I can again send any message, and there I will be. The same goes if I want to leave, I go up, leave the group, that's it.